Hey everyone, on this feature I'd like to demonstrate for you the cruise control feature of the Motorguide Xi5 wireless remote control trolling motor, the electric steer trolling motor that Motorguide has revolutionized the fishing industry with, and the cruise control feature is unbelievable. Now in this particular case, we're out today catching a bunch of stripers, but they're very lazy. They're laying right on the bottom and they're in the deepest part of the river channel that we're in. It's about 22 feet deep in the middle of the channel, so I've got to keep my boat positioned in that channel and I want to move it at a steady speed. In order to do that, you deploy the Xi5 in the water, you press the propeller button to start that propeller running. The next thing you do is hit the top left button, which is the heading lock button, and that keeps the motor in the direction that it's going. So you simply use the left and right arrows, position the motor exactly the direction you want to go, and then the next thing we want to do is set our speed. So we hit the cruise control button, which is the top right button on the fob. What that will then do is allow me to set the speed. Now by default, it goes to 1.0 miles an hour when you press that cruise control button. Then you can use the plus and minus buttons to control that speed, either plus or minus, up or down. Now in this case, we want to continue moving at 0.3 miles an hour. That's the speed that the stripers seem to be hitting. And you can actually watch this with the gateway cable, which connects the Xi5 to a Lowrance HDS unit. In this case, it's a Lowrance HDS carbon unit. It's this little pigtail that comes out of the Xi5 and connects to the Lowrance HDS carbon unit. I can see a status bar across the top, and it will show me that my heading lock is running. It'll show me what degree, based on due north, that motor is turned, and it will tell me at what speed I have the trolling motor set. So everything I want to know is on that status bar on my Lowrance HDS unit through the gateway cable, and I control the speed simply with the fob. Check out the Motorguide Xi5, check out the fob, and learn how to use the cruise control feature. Catch a lot more fish this coming weekend.